Oh dear. I took it into a garage and plugged it in, and it's a rear wheel speed sensor causing all of those. Okay, we've got it out. And we have the new part. Right, so the Bosch sensor is in. Don't get your hopes up. Right, we're just going to take this out for a drive now to see if it works. So can you hold the camera?
Yeah.
Okay. There's only one yellow light now, which is awesome.
I thought there was two.
No, there's only one. And it's only saying tyre pressure monitoring system, which is to be expected, I think. And the auto handbrake's working. Woo! I think it's fixed, Felix.
Yeah.
Coming back in by the west corner. Thanks for watching. Yes.